What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. So I'm testing the tracking, as you can see. So it's tracking me. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Yeah, it's tracking me quite good. So this is my fridge. So you need to be the judge how good is the video quality. The tracking is working quite good. This is the Osmo Action and I'm really loving it. Yeah, let me get some. Okay, let me get some green tea. And how good is the video quality? So testing the tracking, I'm using the white balance in auto. So come here. Okay, so yeah, you need to judge how good is the video quality and how good is the tracking. So it was me, Jimmy Geek. Subscribe and bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي